Naga People's Front's NPF asi Manipur Thugainaba Semkhiba party Natte Manipur da khunda minariba furup sing nungsi chanana ingna chikna chawkhat lambida chatminnanabagi Semkhiba party amani haina Manipurgi Deputy Chief Minister Losii Dikho na fongdokre ngasi North AOC da leiba Hotel Imphal da NPF na Manipurgi nauna khallaba Deputy Chief Minister Losii Dikho bu taramna okpagi thoram pangthokre Thoram aduda tamai AC gi MLA awangbo niumai fongyar AC gi MLA Laisio Kaising Chingai AC gi MLA Kasum Basum Urkhul AC gi MLA Ram Muiva NPF ki District President amadi member singaloina na Naga gi CSO gi luchingba singna saruk yaki Losii Dikho na makha taraduna tha sigi tang nipan digi litanda kuki singna irang haurakliba asi Naga singnadi irang adu pamdabadagi Manaba Tanbadagi ingna chikna lainana hotnabani NPF asi kumja lising ani tarada matam adugi Nagaland CM Nephew Riona CM labamatung Manipur da na kumja lising ani taragani thoigi Manipur gi Legislative Assembly gi mikhalda mihut thadokna ba hotnakibani matam aduda NPF asi anauba oibana mikhal thengnabada awaba kaya mayoknarabasu mai paktuna Manipur miyam gi thodang yaba gamlaki kumja lising ani taraga tareta amuk hanna mikhalda mai paktuna BJP ga punna lengak semduna chatminaki handaki mikhalda su NPF ki mai paklaba MLA singa BJP ga chatminaduna lakli NPF tegi mai paklaba MLA amabu BJP na luching balengak asna Deputy Chief Minister oina haplakpa asida BJP lengak asi thagataba ngamde haiki NPF na Manipur miyam gi damak matam khudingmakta lepkani haina fongdoki
We don't know who are the people behind this movement, the problem. So we want to identify that. Yesterday was actually, it was immediate, so something very serious has taken place. Burning of houses, firing has taken place. That's why he cannot control yesterday. And there was very moment of confusion and then a commotion was there yesterday. But now things are much clearer. So I don't worry. I think we will give our best. So I hope everyone will cooperate. It should not leave the burden on the head of the Chief Minister or the government. I think everyone should cooperate. And especially I want to request you, media people, give positive response to support the problem.